Today's a good day. We're gonna be grilling tomahawk steak.
Okay. Good job. The searing portion. Sabi mo naman ah.
Searing portion. So
Okay.
we're gonna put it on the grill. This way, right? This. Ooh. Hot.
You count it. 30 seconds. Count 30.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 7, 28, 29, 30.
Now
That's
you
30
do-
seconds.
Now you turn it like this way.
Like,
So you make a grill mark like this. See? Count 30.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
And that's my crazy dog,
10,
Nibo.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
Flip it.
That's it now?
Yeah, other side.
Like this side? How do you flip it? Oh.
See? You got the grill mark.
Ooh, that's really smoky.
That's why you got say, smoking hot!
Hot.
It's smoky ka mo. Oh.
Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
Now you put it to one side over there. You cook it indirect heat. Pull it fast. Fast. Don't be scared. Like this. See? Now get the lamb chops.
Which side do I
Okay.
do?
The fat side first.
For this?
Yeah.
This side?
Mm-hmm.
Like that?
Mm-hmm. It's just seasoned with salt, pepper, garlic powder, parsley, sage, rosemary, and thyme. Looking good, man. Today's a good day. We got some shiitake mushroom, sweet bulb onions, and some banana leaves. We're gonna grill them. Today's a good day. Today's a good day. We're grilling meat and 4 sides. I'm gonna grill some shiitake mushroom and sweet bulb onions over the grill. We're gonna wrap it in banana leaves, which the banana leaves will in turn infuse its flavor. Let's start by chopping the onions. The good thing about cooking this is everything is edible. Very simple recipe. This is my mom's recipe. You can split the shiitake onions in half with my trusty Ontario Woodsman bushcraft knife. That's just onion and mushrooms. Looking good. Then salt. We're gonna sprinkle it with sea salt. Whoosha! some black pepper. Then we're just gonna wrap it. Just banana leaves, shiitake mushroom, sweet bulb onions, and salt and pepper. Very simple recipe. You can use butcher's twine. Today's a good day. Now we're gonna throw it over the grill. At the same time, let's check our meat. Tomahawk steak. And our lamb chops. Yes. Then this time, I think I'm gonna put this in direct heat over here, so that our banana leaves will not burn. Let's flip the steak. What do you think, Sam? Does it look good?
Yeah, it looks really good. Ooh.
Hot, hot. Let's turn over the lamb chops too. Other side. Alright, alright, alright. See you later. Let's wait for another 30 minutes. I'm gonna get my jalapeno pepper and grill them for my salsa verde, for my sauce. Time for my second beer. Yaman na! And we're gonna grill some vegetables for my homemade sauce, for my steak sauce. Follow me over here, baby. Oh, look at our tomahawk steak. Our tomahawk steak is looking good, together with our rack of lamb chops. And this is the grilled mushroom in banana sauce, or banana leaves. I'm gonna grill some tomatoes, jalapeno, which I just harvested over there, and some onions for our homemade steak sauce. Today's a good day. That's for our homemade sauce. That's the rack of lamb and our tomahawk steak. Smoking hot. Time check, 30 minutes. They look good. Can't go wrong with that.
Our steaks are ready. There you go.
Tomahawk steak! You see? Wow! Perfect! Alright! Our steaks are ready, and I have 12 flowers, a dozen of roses for my lovely wife. For you, baby.
Okay.
Okay? And my ever loyal assistant over here. Today's a good day. We're gonna start by opening our grilled shiitake mushroom. I really don't know what it's gonna look like, but oh well. Ooh, looks good.
Oh, I want to taste.
Taste.
Let me taste the onion. Oh, that's good.
Okay, we're gonna put it over here.
Yeah. That's really good.
Really good. Like it? Okay, now we're gonna make some sauce. You want me to cut the meat first?
Go ahead.
Since you helped me, you'll be the first to taste. Tomahawk steak. Mmm. How is it?
Oh, it's really good.
Really good? Mmm. Medium rare. Look at that. Delicioso.
Oh, a piece.
Please drop. You like it?
Mm-hmm.
Mmm. Buat dalam chops.
Lamb chops.
Looks good. Mmm. Juicy. Perfect. Today's a good day.